When I work on the garden every spring, I focus on perennials because that's just the type of flower that I like. Are you making funny faces?
My face is always funny.
Okay, now we have our cold open.
Cause no one can do it like we do it, like we do it, like we do it.
I am a huge fan of an English garden filled with perennials, so I don't usually do annuals, but this year I decided to put some in pots on our deck, and then I came across this beautiful basket and I thought, well, I have nowhere to hang it, and I was going to hang it by myself, and Dale said, well, hold on, if you're just going to hang it with just the regular drill, you're probably going to have a bit of a problem. Why don't I show you how to do it with this? It's not really a special tool, but a special tool, right?
Well,
a special
like
tool.
We have 2 screws to put in and I have a whole table full of tools. So that's the way we do it.
That's the way he does it.
So the first thing we need to do is figure out where this goes, and how I do that. There's no special tool. I just ask you, and you just tell me where to put it.
Yes, and so we've already determined this. We're going to hang it up here.
Yeah, right above this knot.
All right, so this is the hook we're using, and why can't I just screw in the screws?
Because where the screw goes in here, the problem is when you try to get the drill in, it hits all this stuff, and you end up going at an angle, and so then your screw ends up going.
I've totally done that.
Totally.
No, I have. I've totally done that.
That's such a Valley Girl answer.
And yet that one is still hanging. Anyway, go on.
Well, what we're gonna do, we have 2 choices. One, I have this really cool tool. So you put your bit in, and it's a right angle, so you can go around and do it, so it doesn't get in the way of the thing. But because of what we're doing, it's straight on. So we're going to use this as an extension and an extra long Robertson bit. So this is our Robertson bit that we have. Once again, that's Canadian, so it's a square. But the screw I'm using, you could actually use a Phillips as well, which is more an American style. So we have a nice long, you can see the bits, almost a foot, which gets us past the end. So when we're drilling, our drill can easily get to where the screw needs to be.
Wow, okay.
Put it in nice and straight. And that's all we're really trying to do, is just get it nice and straight. So we want to find center. So it's a 4x4, which means it's 3.5 inches. So we're going to 1 3/4. So we're just going to put a little mark there with our screw so we know where it's going to go. Get our extra long bit, because it's a nice Robertson, it'll hold in. Get our hanger.
Is it magnetic?
No, it's a Robertson.
So it just holds in because it's square?
Because it's square.
When I was in a hardware store, I knew a lot about screws and bits. That was when I was 17, though. I've forgotten it all.
So there we go. So the top one's on. So now we just need to put the bottom. Now I built this fence, so I like to think everything is square and plumb, but I don't know. This was before we were even married, so this fence has been around a while. So we're gonna put the nice.
Well, you built this fence then, but you recently just replaced all of the lattice with this beautiful decorative
stuff.
Yeah, it's quite beautiful.
Yeah. So we're level here now.
Sounds like we live in New York.
There's a lot of noise today.
There's a lot of noise today.
So we're square. I'm gonna get the other screw. We're using these nice black screws that I have so that they match nicely with this. So, and as you can see, we're clear of this, and I can do a nice straight shot, right?
Yeah, I had no idea that it was that simple.
And there we go. You know what the oranges like to do on a lazy day?
No.
Hang around. All right. Well, let's put this plant up so you can complain about the angle I put it on.
Let's see.
Nice. Is that the right way?
Yeah, that's perfect, actually.
El perfecto.
Love it. So now the last thing I need to know is sort of just where to find all of this, especially these. So these are the longer things, right, that you just used?
The longer thingamajigs, yes.
Okay, the longer thingamajigs. Can we label them that way? I know you like to label things.
Well, they're bits, but you can call them whatever makes you happy.
Okay, so they're long bits.
Yeah, these are long bits. There's mediums. So you have a shorter one, like this is stub, and then they start going up in length. So you have 1, 2, 3, 4 different sizes. Then there's the extension here as well, right?
Nice.
Or a shorter extension if you want.
Okay, and you recently showed me where everything is in the shed,
Yeah.
so I know where these are.
Yeah, it's right where all the screws are and hangers and all that. Right above the table saw.
And there we have it. There's our beautiful planter hanging there. So now I know that I can do that by myself if I want to hang up more planters and do more annuals next year.
Sure.
But hopefully you'll still be alive so you can just do it for me.
And you can just hang around looking at your hangers.
Hang around. All right.
Cuz, cuz, cuz.